Today I'm going to show you how to create your own EC2 instance and how to work with it. First you need to log into your Amazon account as I've logged in. So you go to instances. Wow, this is terminating, so you'll launch an instance. Select any of those two. So I'm going to set up a web environment for web server. So I'm going to take any one of those two. This looks real new. Okay, free. Then you go to configure your instance, check all those. IMA role I don't need. So storage 8 GB, it's more than enough. Then we create a new security group. So this security group is responsible for your inbound rules, like what traffic is going to come and what is not going to come. So I'm going to give it as test. So I want SSH, yeah, TCP, add rule, HTTP as add rule. I think that's it. Don't need this one. Make sure to make it anywhere or my IP if you want to control that instance. Then you review and launch, and then you go to launch. So you need to create a pair, key pair from which you're going to able to log into your system. So I'll just create a new key pair named test, and I'll download that key pair. It got downloaded. Show all, show in folder. So I can cut this out from here and then paste it here in my desktop. As it is done, so now we can launch the instance. So as it is launching, so I'm going to talk about new softwares like Puttygen key, SSH key. So you need to have this software in order to, I'm not going to show you how to download it as I have already the Puttygen. So you can download it here, running Puttygen, download and install in www.ssh.com. So I'm just going to open my Puttygen. Puttygen I need, and I'm going to load my private key which is in the desktop. So make it all files. Test spam. So open it. Okay, save as private key. Yes. Give it a name like testing. So it is done now. For this, now I'll check the instance whether it is running. It is running now. You can take this IPv4 public IP, or you can use this. If you use this right now, if you see, there's nothing on the instance, so it will not show anything. Yep. So you take this key, go on test spam, and we should have one testing pen, testing ppk. So now you have to download one more software as WinSCP. So pull all the links on a link description below. So I'll show you how to use it, how to transfer it files. So this is my WinSCP. You go here. Now as you have copied, I don't need this, I suppose. You cancel. Okay, new site, host name, I'll give it the IP. Username ec2-us here, and we go to advanced click this advanced, go to authenticate, browse private keys, and then you check putty no testy, it was testy something, yeah, testing. Open it and log in. Put it yes or no, it's okay, up to you. Anyways, it will going to open. So now is your server, this is your server. So I'll open it with this putty it yes or no. Anyways, it's going to open, taking username is EC2. So if you do here sudo su hyphen, you become the root user, ls, so nothing is there. So end of the video today. So next video I'm going to talking about how to install a LAMP environment here. Thank you.